Oke, kita mulai ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Previously, I would like to thank to Mrs. Ulia Rahma as the lecturer in charge of the academic English course, and my college, whom I am proud of. We from Group 11 will present the result of our discussion with the title Argumentative Essay. I am Muhammad Fadli Ardi Irmansyah as a moderator in this group, and my friend is Vika. Okay, let's try to the next one, namely the material that will be presented by Vika.
Okay, the material is essay argumentative. What is argumentative essay? Argumentative essay is a genre of writing where the author takes a stand on a particular issue and support their position with evidence and reasoning. Unlike other types of essay, here is not just the components of an argumentative essay. Next. Next is the essay component. The first one, introduction. This introduction aims to purpose of an argumentative essay is to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint or opinion by presenting strong evidence and reasons, while also encouraging critical thinking about the issue being discussed. The key element in the introduction of an argumentative essay include hook, background information, and thesis statement. Next. For example, vaccination mandates have been a subject of an heated debate in recent years as we navigate through this discourse. It's become imperative to examine uh, as we navigate through this discourse, it's become imperative to examine the ethical, medical, and societal implications of compulsory vaccination for public health. For public health. Next. The second body paragraphs. I'm to present and support the main point with relevant evidence and explanation. The key element in the body paragraph of an argumentative essay include topic sentences, evidence, analysis, and transition. Next. For example, the topic states one primary argument in favor of vaccination mandates it's the proven efficacy of vaccine in preventing the spread of infectious disease. Evidence, according to the World Health Organization, countries with high vaccination coverage have significantly lower rates of vaccine-preventable disease. And last, analysis. This data underscore the importance of widespread vaccination in creating herd immunity and protecting vulnerable population. Next. The third counter-argument. Addressing counter-argument acknowledges opposing view, strengthens your position, and enhances credibility by showing our supported stance. The key element in the counter-argument is acknowledges counter-argument, present evidence, and refute. Next. For example, bukan Dedil. Bentar.
Wait a minute. Okay, guys.
Itu kayaknya salah Dedil, itunya. Contohnya.
Tapi memang ini, Dik.
Sorry, koreksi ya. Buat contohnya itu, some argue that vaccination mandates infringe on personal freedom, while individual liberties are crucial. Public health measures such vaccination are justified when they prevent harm to others. It's akin to travel laws. We restrict individual freedom to ensure the safety of the entire community. And terakhir, and last, conclusion. Conclusion serves to summarize key points and restate the thesis, reinforcing the argument and leaving a lasting impression. The key element recap main argument, emphasize importance, and provide a call to action or future consideration. In conclusion, vaccination mandates play a pivotal role in individual freedom and emphasizing the overwhelming evidence clear that such mandates are a responsible and necessary measure to protect our communities.
Okay, next material presented by myself. Selecting a topic. First, choose a topic. There are several topics that can be used for the argumentative essay, namely in the fields of health, society, law, and others. 1. Healthy. Sample, the impact of diet trends of long-term health. Second, society. Sample, what should countries do to address the problem of illegal immigration? And last, law. Sample, should Congress abolish citizenship based on birth? Should Congress abolish citizenship based on birth? Next is narrowing your focus. Refine your topic to make it manageable. Instead of discussing climate change, narrow it down to the impact of deforestation on climate change for a more focused and compelling essay. Crafting a thesis statement. Characteristic of a good thesis statement. 1 is clear and concise. 2 debatable. And 3 specific. Next is support argument with evidence. Types of evidence. First is statistical evidence. 2. Expert testimony. And 3. Anecdotal evidence. Next, addressing counter-arguments. Strategies for handling counter-arguments is first, acknowledge and refute, and 2. Offer compromise or qualification. Editing and revising. Self-editing checklist. First is clarity, 2. Consistency, 3. Grammar and style, and 4. Citation. Conclusion. The conclusion of an argumentative essay should restate the thesis, summarize the key points, and end with a strong statement. Avoid introducing new information and mention further implication if relevant to make the conclusion effective and impactful. Okay, next. That all is material in my group. Sebelumnya ada yang ingin bertanya sebelum ke kuis?
I want to ask a question. Okay.
Okay, you can boleh sebut nama.
I'm Shahzan Shifa. I want to ask, wait. Earlier you both explained about argumentative essay, and there were a point, key element like logical, apa sih? Itu like logical thinking and others. How can we balance between emotional appeal and logical reasoning for the effectiveness of an argument essay? Just that.
Okay, thanks Meisha. Sebelumnya kita tampung dulu. Ada yang ingin bertanya lagi? Okay, because anyone not a question, Vika boleh dijawab.
Okay, I give you permission to answer for a question. How can we balance between emotional appeal and logical reasoning for the effectiveness of an argumentative essay? And the answer, by using emotion to grab attention and connect with the reader personally, while logical reasoning is used to provide strong and in-depth evidence. Both must be mutually reinforcing. Okay. Done ya, Mei?
Is that clear?
Yeah, clear. Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Oke, karena tidak ada yang bertanya lagi ya, karena takut waktunya nggak cukup, jadi sesi selanjutnya kita quiz vocab. Boleh? Yang ingin menjawab, silakan on cam dan sebutkan nama.
I will answer number one.
Your name?
Introduce myself. My name Muhammad Lutfi Baihaqi. This argument. This answer argument.
Yes, that's correct. Argument. Thank you.
Thanks.
I want to answer number 2. The answer is example.
Okay, thank you. Next.
I want to answer number 3.
Okay.
Paragraphs.
Okay, that's correct. Next.
I want to answer.
Silakan.
Sok.
I want to answer number 5.
Answer. Okay. What's your answer?
The answer is conclusion.
Number 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Last, number 4.
I want to answer number 4. My
Okay.
name is Fatia Sabila. The answer is topic.
Okay,
Thank you.
that's correct. Thank you. Okay, next is quiz. Yang mau jawab boleh.
I wanna answer for number 1.
Okay.
My name is Ali Nur Fadilah. So the answer is clear and concise.
I think it's not answer. Okay, no problem. Okay, number 1. Number 1 is not answer.
Oh yeah.
It's the structure of argumentative essay. How many?
Oh yeah. 1 introduction. 2 body paragraphs.
Okay.
3 counter arguments. 4
Okay.
4 conclusion.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you, Aline. Next, number 2.
I want to answer number
Okay.
2. My
Okay.
name is Arika Senator Arifin. The
Okay.
answer is clear and concise, debatable, and specific.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you, Arika. Next, last.
I want to answer number 3.
Okay.
My name is Nesya Halimatu Sadiah. The answer first is acknowledge and refute. Second is offer compromise or qualification.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Sebelumnya izin untuk apa ya? Ingin memastikannya lagi. Ada yang ingin bertanya? Kalau tidak ada akan ditutup. One? Okay, no problem. There are the result of our discussion. We from group 11 apologize if there are any words that are wrong or not memorable to her. We thank you for your attention. We close this presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.